Science of downhill skiing. In the thrilling sport of downhill skiing, athletes fly down a mountain at speeds topping out at 90 plus miles per hour, racing to finish their course with precision and just a nose ahead of the competition. Downhill skiing differs from other ski competitions such as slopestyle skiing, in which athletes complete tricks on jumps and rails. Instead, downhill skiers have the goal of tackling a course, moguls and flags included, to finish in the least amount of time possible. Skiers get their initial acceleration from their point of highest potential energy by pushing out of the start gate with as much force as possible. Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration, is seen as the force from kicking out is exerted on an object, the skier, causing it to accelerate. From this point, gravity, one of the greatest foundational forces in physics, takes over, hurtling the skier down the slope, transferring their potential energy into kinetic energy. Downhill skiers face difficulty, however, when friction is created between the snow and the athlete's skis. Their smooth, polished surface is designed to reduce friction. The skier manipulates their skis as they alternate left and right turns coming down the slope. They use the edges, not the flat base of the ski, to dig into the snow, stabilizing and providing the skier with control. When not in turns, the skier will use the flat base of their ski. By increasing their surface area when doing this, the skier does not sink into the snow, but instead glides above it. In addition to the friction experienced by the snow, downhill athletes are also slowed down by wind, or air resistance, another form of friction. They try to minimize their air resistance by wearing tight-fitting suits and by tucking their bodies into a low and long aerodynamic stance. This reduces the resistance they experience. Finally, athletes are most successful by finding the shortest path, considering bumps and hollows of the slope, also known as the line. Finding the best line, reducing friction, and manipulating their skiing equipment in just the right manner allows the downhill ski athletes to edge out their competition and go for the gold.